Taking a look at the weather now, beautiful conditions today, but overnight is when things are expected to get nasty. What are you watching?
Yeah, these storms right now are well back to the west in Illinois, in Missouri. Got a couple right on the Iowa and Wisconsin line. But this big line of storms you see here is firing off. We are way over here. And out ahead of these storms, there is an element of rain. So just know that late tonight, we're talking after 2 a.m., that's when these storms are going to be arriving. But we have the bonus of not being at the heat of the day and having some rain coming in advance. So that should maybe lower the risk a little bit. It will lower the risk compared to what they're seeing out that way. However, we still do run the risk of a few things as these storms do progress our way. So just know, early tomorrow morning, we're talking 2 a.m. Through the morning commute, those storms are going to be moving through the region. By lunchtime, they're completely out of here. But these storms could bring some damaging winds in a few instances. Rotation is something we'll have to watch for, and of course heavy rain. There's been some flash flood reports with those storms back to the west. So here's how it's going to work out for us. We get these scattered showers moving in later tonight. This is about 10, 11 o'clock. I wouldn't rule out a rumble of thunder here, but it's more so 2 a.m. where these storms get close enough, and then they're going to continue on through about 5, 6 a.m. for downtown, but those storms are going to last longer south of the city. You can see that push coming in here. Those storms will go until the end of the morning commute, and then by lunchtime, these storms are gone, and we'll actually get some clearing taking place, so we're going to get back into sunshine, but the winds will be kicking, so we're looking at these like 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts for the afternoon tomorrow, and then those will start to trail off during the evening. Tonight, temperatures are going to be quite warm. We're talking the upper 60s and even near 70-degree temperatures. The humidity is going to start to amp up as well. And this is what the storms and the rain are going to work with. So this gives you that available moisture for heavy rain. That also gives you available moisture to feed into these storms. Temperatures tomorrow do make it into the low to mid 80s, even with those gustier winds. So tonight, we're talking those upper 60s, scattered thunderstorms, some possibly severe. That's why it's a KDKA First Alert Weather Day for Thursday. Tomorrow, our temperatures make it into the low 80s after those morning storms. It's going to be kind of gusty through the afternoon. Those winds will start to trail off a little bit for the evening, but it's the low 80s for high temperatures. Beyond that, we get into Friday. It's back to partly cloudy skies for Juneteenth. Saturday looks just as nice, 78 degrees with a nice mix of sun and clouds. The upper 70s on Father's Day. Showers late, so I think most of Father's Day is going to be fine. And then Monday, scattered thunderstorms and 74.